Yo, what's up everybody, it's your guide and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're ditching the concrete jungle and heading straight into the heart of Southeast Asia. That's right, we're in Battambang province, Cambodia, a place that's been on my travel bucket list for way too long. Now I'm all about exploring hidden gems, places that don't necessarily make it to the front page of your travel guide, and let me tell you, Battambang is overflowing with them. So if you're ready to ditch the tourist traps and discover something truly special, buckle up, because things are about to get wild. Let's do this. Alright, first up on our Battambang adventure, we're rolling up to PICH Resort. Nestled in the heart of Cambodia, this hidden gem is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the country's natural beauty. Now, this isn't your typical 5-star resort with infinity pools and room service, but trust me, it's something way cooler. It's a rustic retreat that offers a unique blend of simplicity and charm. Imagine this. Crystal clear freshwater streams cutting through dense jungle foliage, creating a serene and picturesque setting that's perfect for relaxation. The sound of rushing water filling the air adds to the tranquil atmosphere, making it a perfect escape from the noise of everyday life. And the feeling of the warm Cambodian sun on your skin, that's PICH. It's like stepping into a different world where time slows down and nature takes over. This place is a local favorite, and for good reason. It's a sanctuary where people come to unwind and reconnect with nature. It's the perfect spot to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and just unwind. Whether you're looking to relax or explore, PICH has something for everyone. We're talking about laying back in bamboo huts built right over the water, offering a unique and immersive experience. Taking a dip in the refreshing streams is a must-do activity here. The water is so clear and cool, it's like nature's own swimming pool, and just letting all your worries melt away. It's a place where you can truly disconnect and find peace. And the best part? The food. The local cuisine here is something you don't want to miss. We're talking about authentic Cambodian cuisine, cooked fresh and bursting with flavor. From savory dishes to sweet treats, there's something to satisfy every palate. Imagine this, sitting by the water, the sun setting in the distance, casting a golden glow over the landscape, and a plate of steaming noodles in front of you. It's a dining experience like no other, combining delicious food with breathtaking views. It's the kind of experience that stays with you long after you leave. Every meal becomes a memory, etched in the beauty of the surroundings. But PICH is more than just a pretty place to relax. It's a destination that offers a deeper connection with nature. It's a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level, to feel the earth beneath your feet and the fresh air in your lungs. We're talking about exploring hidden waterfalls, discovering the secrets of the jungle, hiking through the surrounding jungle where every trail leads to a new adventure, and maybe even spotting some local wildlife. It's a place where nature and adventure go hand in hand. One thing that really struck me about PICH was the sense of community. It's a place where people come together to enjoy the beauty of nature. Families were picnicking by the water, sharing meals and laughter. Kids were splashing around in the streams, their laughter echoing through the trees. And everyone had a smile on their face. It was a place filled with joy and contentment. It was a refreshing change of pace from the often chaotic energy of the city. A place where you can breathe easy and feel at peace. And the water, man, don't even get me started on the water. It was crystal clear, ice cold, and so refreshing. Perfect for cooling off on a hot day. It was crystal clear, ice cold, and so refreshing. The kind of water that invigorates you and makes you feel alive. We spent hours at PICH just soaking it all in. Every moment was a reminder of the beauty and tranquility that nature offers. If you're looking for a place to escape the ordinary, PICH Resort is it. It's a destination that promises relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable memories. Alright, next up on our Battambang adventure, we're heading to a place that's a little different from your typical natural wonder. I'm talking about Camping Pui Lake, a man-made reservoir that's transformed into a haven for nature lovers. Now I know what you're thinking, a man-made lake? But trust me on this one, Camping Pui is something special. Imagine this, a vast expanse of calm blue water surrounded by rolling hills and lush greenery. The air is fresh, the sun is shining, and the only sounds you hear are the gentle lapping of water against the shore and the occasional bird song. That's Camping Pui. Now this place isn't about adrenaline-pumping activities or crowded tourist spots. It's about embracing the tranquility of nature, finding peace in the simple things, and just letting go. We're talking about renting a small boat, rowing out onto the lake, and just floating there, surrounded by nothing but beauty and silence. And as the sun begins to set, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors, you'll understand why Camping Pui is a local favorite. It's the kind of place where you can truly disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. But Camping Pui isn't just about quiet contemplation. It's also a great place to connect with the local community. We're talking about families picnicking by the water's edge, kids splashing around in the shallows, and fishermen casting their nets in the golden light of the setting sun. One thing that really struck me about Camping Pui was the sense of peace that washed over me as soon as we arrived. We spent hours at Camping Pui just soaking it all in. The serenity of the place is truly captivating. If you're looking for a place to escape the ordinary, Camping Pui Lake is it. It's a hidden gem that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and peaceful solitude. Alright, buckle up because we're about to take things up a notch. We're heading to Phnom Sampho, a mountain that rises dramatically from the Cambodian plains, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into the region's rich history. Now, Phnom Sampho isn't just any mountain, it's a place where ancient temples perch precariously on cliff edges, where natural caves whisper tales of a bygone era, and where freshwater springs gush forth, offering a refreshing respite from the tropical heat. Imagine this. You're climbing the slopes of Phnom Sampho, the air thick with the scent of incense and the sound of chanting monks. You reach the summit and you're greeted by a panoramic view of the Cambodian countryside, stretching out before you like a green tapestry woven with rice paddies and palm trees. But Phnom Sampho is more than just a pretty view. It's a place steeped in history, a place where the past and present collide in a way that's both humbling and awe-inspiring. We're talking about exploring ancient temples, discovering hidden caves adorned with intricate carvings, and learning about the legends and stories that have been passed down through generations. And as you delve deeper into the mountain's heart, you'll discover hidden freshwater springs, their cool waters a welcome relief from the Cambodian sun. One thing that really struck me about Phnom Sampho was the sense of serenity that permeated the air. We spent hours at Phnom Sampho exploring its temples, caves, and springs. If you're looking for a place to escape the ordinary, Phnom Sampho is it. Alright guys, get ready to be transported back in time because we're about to explore Banan Temple, an ancient Khmer temple complex that's straight out of an Indiana Jones movie. Seriously, this place is epic. Imagine this. You're trekking through dense jungle, the air thick with humidity and the sound of exotic birdsong. Suddenly you stumble upon a clearing, and there it is, Banan Temple rising majestically from the jungle floor, its ancient towers reaching for the sky. Now Banan Temple isn't your average tourist trap. It's a place where you can feel the weight of history, where the silence is broken only by the wind whispering through the ancient stones, and where the energy is palpable. We're talking about climbing crumbling staircases, exploring hidden chambers, and marveling at intricate carvings that have withstood the test of time. And as you wander through this ancient sanctuary, you'll discover hidden natural springs, their cool waters a welcome respite from the tropical heat. But Banan Temple is more than just a collection of ancient ruins. It's a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the Khmer civilization, a place where you can connect with a rich history that dates back centuries. We spent hours at Banan Temple exploring its ruins, soaking up the atmosphere, and just letting our imaginations run wild. If you're looking for a place to escape the ordinary, Banan Temple is it. Alright, for our final stop on this Battambang adventure, we're heading to a place that's all about peace, tranquility, and maybe even a little bit of magic. This destination promises a unique blend of spiritual serenity and natural beauty that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and inspired. I'm talking about Wat Ek Phnom, a temple complex that's home to a sacred pond believed to possess healing properties. This ancient site is steeped in history and local lore, making it a fascinating place to explore. Now Wat Ek Phnom isn't your typical bustling temple. It's a sanctuary of calm, where visitors can escape the noise and stress of daily life. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where the air is thick with the scent of incense and lotus blossoms, and where the only sounds you hear are the gentle chants of monks and the soft splash of fish in the pond. The atmosphere here is almost otherworldly, transporting you to a different realm of peace and reflection. Imagine this. You're strolling through the temple grounds, the sun casting long shadows through the ancient trees. Each step you take feels like a journey back in time, connecting you with the countless souls who have walked these paths before. You reach the sacred pond, its surface shimmering like a mirror, reflecting the blue sky and the temple's ornate facade. The water's stillness invites you to pause and take in the beauty around you. Locals believe that the water in this pond has healing powers, capable of curing ailments and bringing good fortune. It's a tradition that has been passed down through generations, adding to the mystical allure of the place. Whether you believe in the magic or not, there's no denying the sense of peace and tranquility that washes over you as you sit by the water's edge. The serene environment encourages you to let go of your worries and simply be in the moment. But Wat Ek Phnom is more than just a place of healing. It's a sanctuary for the soul, offering a space for deep spiritual reflection and personal growth. It's a place to connect with your spiritual side, to reflect on life's journey, and to find a sense of inner peace that's often elusive in the chaos of everyday life. Here, you can take a moment to breathe, to think, and to find clarity. We spent hours at Wat Ek Phnom, wandering through the temple grounds, sitting by the sacred pond and just soaking up the peaceful atmosphere. Each corner of the temple offered a new perspective, a new sense of wonder. If you're looking for a place to escape the ordinary, Wat Ek Phnom is it. It's a retreat for the mind, body, and spirit, offering a rare opportunity to find true peace and healing. And that's a wrap on our Battambang adventure. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling incredibly grateful for experiences like these. Discovering these hidden gems, connecting with nature and immersing ourselves in the local culture, it's what travel is all about. Battambang, you've stolen a piece of my heart. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel adventures, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep exploring. Peace out.